Mom. Huh? This expired in 2017.
No.
No, you are not getting Get out of the car.
Can I just see the expiration date?
What?
It's fine. Make a fucking grilled cheese with it. Stop it.
No, I don't use it for cooking or nothing.
Mama, it's expired.
That don't matter.
I'm throwing these away. I'm throwing these away, Mom. You do not need these.
No, I need that. That's for... no.
Then I look at the date, right? Best by April 12th, 2016.
Oh, hell no. These are pears from 1999.
How about some blackberries for dinner tonight from 1972?
It's from Grandma's fridge. Let's see here. 2013.
We'll fuck you up. What is it?
Looks like a chocolate brownie.
Expiration date, March 26, 2013. Mom!
I'm videoing it.